I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Cold air snuck into Oklahoma last Saturday morning, October 19th. A map showing the number of days with lows equal to or below 32 degrees shows how that cold air crept in, bypassing the northern town of Buffalo, but creeping as far south as Altus, Acme, and Ada. 3 sites on this map in and close to Dewey County in northwest Oklahoma seem similar. Camargo had 3 days with freezing temperatures. Sealing and Putnam have had 2. We get a very different picture of the cold air in and around Dewey County from an hours below freezing map. Camargo has recorded 12 hours at or below 32 degrees with a minimum temperature of 28 degrees. Sealing has had 9 freezing hours, getting down to 29. Putnam has only recorded 1 hour below freezing with a low of 31 degrees. Longer times below 32 and colder minimum temperatures cause more plant damage. Comparing this fall to a map showing the average dates of the first fall freeze, we are about average for the Panhandle and northwestern locations, but a week earlier in the southwest and 10 to 14 days earlier than average for select locations in the central part of the state. Soil moisture is a big issue for wheat and canola crops. Checking on plant available water from the surface down to 16 inches, soils in the green areas with 3 to 5 inches of plant available water have good supplies for fall plant growth. The yellow areas are areas of concern with slower growth likely. Brown areas with values closer to a ½ inch are much drier, where the lack of moisture will really hold back fall plant growth. On our 16-inch plant available water map, Medicine Park comes in at 1 inch. Not far away at Apache, the plant available water is much better, 2 51/100 inches. A graph of soil moisture over the last 30 days for Medicine Park shows that while a number of light rainfall events have spiked the red line, Mesonet's 2-inch soil moisture sensor, only the rain at the end of September reached the 10-inch sensor, the orange line. Since then, the soil moisture at 10 inches has declined through October. At Apache, both 2-inch and 10-inch soil moisture levels were recharged in late September and have stayed high since then. The 24-inch soil moisture, the green line, shows a slow, steady decline over the last 30 days. The outlook for November from the Climate Prediction Center indicates that Oklahoma has a higher chance of above normal temperatures in November. The precipitation outlook for November is showing equal chances of being drier, mid-range, or wetter, so no clear trend for most of Oklahoma. Unfortunately, chances increase that it will be drier than normal in the southwest, far west, and panhandle areas. Thanks for being with us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.